Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome to JHealthy Lifestyle, your hub for all things healthy and homemade. We're thrilled to have you here exploring the endless possibilities of healthful cooking. If you find our content intriguing, do consider subscribing to our channel and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Today, we're diving into a beloved kitchen staple, peanut butter. And yes, we're making it right at home. So if you're ready to dive into the delicious world of homemade peanut butter, stick around. You may wonder why you should make peanut butter at home when it's readily available in stores. Well, let's dive into that. Homemade peanut butter provides a host of benefits that store-bought versions often can't match. Firstly, you have complete control over the ingredients. You can choose your preferred peanuts, and you decide whether you want to add salt, honey, or any other flavorings. This puts you in the driver's seat for your health, allowing you to avoid any unwanted additives. Secondly, homemade peanut butter is free of preservatives and added sugars, making it a healthier choice. Thirdly, the freshness factor cannot be overstated. When you whip up your batch, you know it's as fresh as it gets. Lastly, there's a certain satisfaction that comes from creating something from scratch. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment every time you spread your homemade peanut butter on a slice of toast. So, are you convinced now about the benefits of homemade peanut butter? Great! Let's move on to the actual process. Before we start, gather all the ingredients and tools you need. First off, you'll need peanuts, the star of the show. 2 cups of unsalted, dry roasted peanuts will do the trick. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Want a hint of sweetness? Include 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Now for a smoother consistency, you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Coconut or olive oil works great. As for the tools, you'll need an oven to roast the peanuts, giving them a warm, toasty flavor. Also, have a baking sheet ready for roasting. Most importantly, you'll need a food processor. This will transform your peanuts into creamy, delicious peanut butter. Remember, homemade peanut butter allows you to control the ingredients and their quality. No hidden sugars, no preservatives, just pure, wholesome goodness. With everything in place, you're now ready to start making your homemade peanut butter. Now, on to the exciting part, making the peanut butter. Our first step is to prepare the peanuts for roasting. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, spread your peanuts out evenly on a baking sheet. You don't need to oil or season them. We're just looking for that delightful toasted flavor that roasting brings out. Once your oven is ready, pop your baking sheet in and set a timer for 15 minutes. You might want to give your peanuts a quick stir halfway through just to make sure they're roasting evenly. After 15 minutes, take your peanuts out of the oven and let them cool down. This is a crucial step. If the peanuts are too hot, they could turn your food processor into a peanut sauna. So patience is key here. Allow them to cool for about 20 minutes, or until they're room temperature. While your peanuts are cooling, you can gather the rest of your ingredients. You'll need a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a drizzle of oil. Olive, coconut, or even a neutral oil like canola will work. Once your peanuts have cooled, it's time to start processing. Add your peanuts to your food processor, along with your pinch of salt. Start blending, stopping every so often to scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. After about 5 minutes, your peanuts should start to look like a thick, grainy paste. Now add your honey and oil and continue processing. The honey adds a touch of sweetness, and the oil helps create a smoother texture. Keep blending until your peanut butter reaches your desired consistency. Finally, transfer your homemade peanut butter into an airtight container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, but chances are, it won't last that long. And voila! You now have your very own homemade peanut butter. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered the joy and benefits of making homemade peanut butter. We've walked through the simple ingredients needed, peanuts and a touch of salt, and we've mastered the straightforward process. With a good blender and a little patience, we've transformed humble peanuts into a delicious and nutritious spread. That's it for today, folks. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.